Yeah, this job was really unique in that it was one very large, and most interestingly, it was on 4 different buildings, and actually had 4 different meters that we tied into to 4 different services from the utility company, and that's pretty unusual for us. Weirdly, we actually have done a couple of those in the past year, but prior to that, I hadn't really experienced it. So we kind of, in a lot of ways, treated this one huge job as like 4 different jobs, and I really enjoyed just how much on this one site we got to do a little bit of everything that we normally do, split up amongst all these different jobs. But it was kind of this like campus where we got to do a little bit of everything and try some different stuff. And yeah, it was a fun challenge.
So this property in Willis, Virginia, it's not only a personal residence, but they also have 2 businesses they operate on the property. One of which is a microphone laboratory. They build high-end microphones for recording artists. They have a warehouse for that same business, and then they also have 2 rental cabins a little further back on their property. Total of 102 panels, just over 41 kilowatts of solar. The installation we did for the Pelusos will save them approximately $8,500 per year. That's between the 4 interconnections that we did at the property. So pretty tremendous.
John and Mary were great. They just had such a cool setup there. I mean, I actually live up the road from them, and I didn't know there was a microphone company, right there in Floyd, and just thought that was really awesome. And then just a life they've created there in Floyd.
John and Mary were great. They were fully engaged from day one until we completed their project. They really care about their environment. They care about making a positive impact in the community, and just having their business and residents being completely 100% offset via solar. For them, that's pretty tremendous. That's their goal they were trying to reach, and we're luckily able to achieve that for them. In addition to wanting to go solar, they also collect classic cars. My favorite by far was their REO Flying Cloud.
They've been terrific. Baseline Solar has been just a wonderful experience. Everybody involved has just been so professional. It has been amazing. Choose the right company the first time, because these guys are totally professional and everything has gone flawless.